Hey everybody, welcome. My name is Tiffany Grice and I'm coming to you with this amazing opportunity. Welcome to the video. This is our corporate overview. So we're going to give you a full spectrum of how we actually repair credit, what we're offering to the clients, and also how you can actually earn another source of income while working from home. Now, we understand that during the pandemic, there were a lot of people that were out there hurting financially. And so we were in a really good place where we could actually help individuals doing that work from home all across the nation. So I am going to jump right into it here, guys. I'm going to share my background so we're not strangers. I came from corporate America, actually from the insurance industry. I also worked to improve people and processes within corporate organizations. I'm also going to share my family here with you. I was just a regular girl coming from corporate America, trying to get by paycheck to paycheck. And one thing that I learned really quickly was that corporate America wasn't the lifestyle that I wanted to live for the rest of my life. 20 to 30 years at a company just really wasn't for me. And I wanted to take control of my time, control of my income. And I didn't want a company dictating that for me. Now, of course, my dream was to have financial freedom and spend more time with my family and be able to really enjoy life on my terms. Again, I mean, I had gone down a few paths in my life, both personally and professionally, and some things just didn't turn out, unfortunately. And with that, my credit score took a hit. I went from a 720 to in the 500s. And guys, with that type of score, you can't even get a library card, let alone get an apartment, a mortgage, or some type of vehicle. So I started looking around for credit repair options, and I was introduced to a gentleman who did credit repair, and he looked very successful. So I asked him, how much income are you seeing with this type of industry? And he showed me some of the commission checks. He showed me 4,000 a week, 6,000 a week. And I was interested in how he was making that type of money working from home, just helping people fix their credit. And I wanted to know how I can get involved. So he actually took me under his wing, and guys, the rest is history. I partnered up with him, and within 2 months, I replaced my full-time income, and I was able to spend life on my terms, spend more time with my family, and start to experience that financial freedom that I was after. So I'm going to jump into it, guys. We're looking for agents, and I don't know if you qualify. I don't know if you'll be the right fit for what we're doing. But at the end of this information, you can get back with the person that invited you, and we'll definitely answer any questions that you have. So let's get into it. So the name of our company is United Wealth Education Services, and it was founded in 2004. Now, we're not a startup company, guys. As of 2021, we've deleted over 1 million negative items off our clients' credit reports. Now, 43 million Americans have less than a 599 credit score, okay? That's 43 million people that can't get approved for mortgages, 43 million people that can't get approved for a vehicle, or they are going to get a vehicle with a super high interest rate. And there's a huge demand for credit repair out there right now. People that have poor credit, they're filled with anxiety and embarrassment and confusion, fear, frustration. And unfortunately, guys, we weren't taught this stuff in school. It's just not out there. So we're really going out there every day to make a difference in people's lives and really help them build their financial future and get everything back on track. Now, good credit, okay, it allows people to buy houses and cars, right? How empowered would you feel with a 750 plus credit score walking into a dealership, or an 800 credit score walking into a mortgage office? You know for sure that you're going to be good and qualified for those loans. All right, so what type of services do we offer? Everybody's out there doing credit repair, right? There's a lot of companies out there that offer credit repair. And what you need to understand is that nobody comes close to the amount of value that we give to the clients at this price point and the results that we get our clients within such a short period of time. So again, credit repair is our main service, but when our clients enroll, they're actually getting 12 other services included for free with that credit repair aspect, right? Now, there's a budgeting tool that shows people how to get on a strict budget. A lot of people spend too much money going out to eat dinner at restaurants, buying clothes and things like that. And that's one of the reasons why they're paycheck to paycheck and they can't afford to pay their credit card time and so on and so forth, right? So credit builder, when we remove negative items off the credit report, late payments, bankruptcies, foreclosures, if the person doesn't have enough positive on their credit report, they're not going to get approved and their score really isn't going to go up that much. So we show them how to actually build credit. One way is through a rental history. We can add their rental payments to their credit report for the last 2 years, and that can really help jump and increase your score and give them a quick result. Credit attorneys, anybody that has collection companies calling them about debt is harassment. It's a huge issue. And a lot of people don't know their rights when it comes to these collection companies. So we have attorneys that will take care of that. And again, that's included in the membership. Now, with the debt payoff, another factor of getting a mortgage, if somebody's DTI is too high, their debt to income ratio, it doesn't matter how good their score is, they're not going to get approved for their mortgage. So we show them how to get their debt down to get into a place so that they're approved for that loan. Identity moderation, right? We don't want to work on somebody's credit and then have someone steal their identity and mess up their score again. So we actually have identity theft insurance up to $1 million to protect our clients while we're working on their credit score and beyond. So these are some services that the clients get, and they see results on the credit bureau side of it for within 45 to 90 days. We recommend that they stay on for 3 to 5 months to see the best results. So when it comes to their score. Now, again, guys, this isn't an overnight process, and it might have taken you 2, 3, 4 years to mess up your credit. So getting the results is really not going to happen overnight. And we have to do everything by the book, right? We're a very large company. We're regulated by the government. So we have to do it by the book. And again, 3 to 5 months is what we really recommend in order for our clients to see the best results as far as the credit repair goes. Now, just for your education, this is how your FICO score is calculated. The 35% is payment history, okay? If you have late payments, that's 35% of your FICO score. How much credit you're using, 30%. So let's say you have $1,000 credit card and you're using a 900 balance on that $1,000 limit. That's 90% credit utilization, and that's going to drop your score pretty significantly. Really, anything over 29% is going to drop your score as far as your credit utilization goes. So you want to get that down below 30%. On top of that, you've got length of credit. If you have open credit cards, never close your cards, guys. Banks want to see the history. They want to see how long that account's been open, and over 5 years is the goal. You want to keep your accounts open for 5 years. That's going to be helping your score. New credit increase. If you have over 4 hard inquiries, that can drop your score up to 40 points on your FICO score. Types of credit. Banks want to see revolving loans. Installment loans are revolving, and that's basically a credit card. An installment loan is like your car payment, your mortgage, and that means you're going to pay it off. There's eventually going to be a point where you're done paying that. Guys, we've heard $1,000 to fix credit. We've heard people charge $2,000. Attorneys can charge up to $3,000 to fix credit. But within our company, it's only $188 to start the credit repair for the first month, and then $89 a month after that. It's month to month, so there's no contract. And if you get to a 750 credit score within 2 or 3 months, you can cancel it anytime. There's no penalty to cancel that. Guys, when I saw that, it was a breath of fresh air, because I've heard horror stories where people have paid someone $1,500 and never heard from them again. There goes your money, and your credit score is still in the tank. So guys, $188 the first month, and then $89 a month after that, and you're getting your credit restored. Now, what I want to point out too is we also give back. We've got a charity called YFL, which is a foundation for youth financial literacy. And this is a foundation where we educate kids from ages 8 to 18 about financial literacy. Again, it's not taught in schools, but not only that, we're giving them scholarship money to go to college. We understand that student loan debt is, again, a huge issue when it comes to people's debt nowadays. So last year we gave away over $400,000 in 2020. And this year we've given away so far $600,000 in scholarship money. So guys, as our company grows, so does the charity. So remember how we talked about the $89 a month price point for as long as you keep the plan? Well, since these are valuable products that are designed to help you manage your finances and brighten your future for you and your loved ones, the monthly rate actually starts to drop the longer that you remain a member. Now, as I mentioned, clients see their credit restoration results usually within 45 to 90 days. So we do understand that that's the main reason that people reach out to us for help, but we're committing to long-term growth, positive change, and stability in that new score, as well as your overall financial well-being. So for months 1 through 3, it's the $89 a month. And then months 4 through 12, it's only $69, and then $49 for over 13 months and beyond. So we're going to switch gears now. We're going to talk about the business opportunity. A lot of you are on this video and want to find out how to make some extra income from home. So I'm going to show you how you can make income as a referral agent. Now, 2020 was our biggest year. During the pandemic was our biggest growth. We had over 150% growth within our company in just 1 year, biggest we've seen. So that shows a huge demand for credit repair and the amount of people that are looking to generate an extra source of income. So this is our corporate office. Again, this is our umbrella company. Cred-IT is within UWE, but it's this is our business model. Okay. Again, we were founded in 2004, 17-year-old company, and we provide agents the ability to market a service with innovation, financial literacy tools, and we're equipping our agents with everything that they need in order to be successful. So why will it work for you? Well, you get to be your own boss, for one. You get to make your own hours and fit it into your own schedule. You can do this part-time, full-time, or your time. When I saw this industry, like I said, I had a full-time job and I was busy. So I had to figure out a way that I could actually fit this into the cracks of my schedule so I could make a lucrative enough income where I could get out of the corporate America space. Now, there's two different types of income, guys. There's linear income and there's residual income. And if you guys have read Rich Dad, Poor Dad, then you understand that if you're making linear income, it means that you're essentially trading time for money. So say you're a real estate agent and you sell a house. Sure, you can make 10 grand on a house, but what do you have to do the next month? Well, you've got to go sell another house, right? You're still trading time for money. So that's what we show our agents to do, is how to get that residual side opened up by starting their own credit franchise. So how does this work? Well, let's say you open a Starbucks, right? And it's a successful franchise and pretty much guaranteed that you're going to make money. But would you rather have one location and make 100% from one Starbucks, or would you rather have 1% of 100 locations and have the managers run the stores? So essentially you collect a check every month and you have managers running each location. That, guys, is how people make money. So what I realized really quickly was it doesn't matter how much money you make if you can't enjoy it. It really doesn't matter. So I was always looking for something that could give me both time as well as income at the same time. And that's done through residual income or leveraged income. So how does it work? Well, how do you get paid as an agent with us? Well, you actually get paid 6 different ways. Okay. And the first way that you're going to get paid is you will be receiving $100 per customer. We're going to create a website for you, and every client that enrolls with your website for the credit repair, you're getting $100 per client. So say this week you enrolled 5 clients, that's $500 direct deposit coming to you next week. But here's the best part, guys. When the customer signs up with the credit repair, your job is done. They're getting a welcome confirmation email from our corporate office, and they're going to be working on their credit for them. If they have any questions on their credit repair, they can call our customer service Monday through Friday, and they don't have to call you. So again, we're showing you how to market credit repair. We're showing you how to enroll clients, and you can get paid the next week. The company does the work. Okay. As a residual, the clients are paying that $89 a month, and you're getting a residual of $12 a month for each client for the life of the client. Now that adds up. All right, guys. So we have tax preparers, CPAs, real estate agents, financial advisors, and insurance agents, and individuals that just want to earn an extra income doing what they're already doing, talking to the people they're already talking to and getting paid for it. So why not get paid for something that you're doing already, right? So if you're able to get 3 clients a day, or say you're enrolling 3 customers a day for a 30-day period, that's $9,000 a month in income. Now let's bring it down a little bit. Let's say you're doing 5 clients a week. That's an extra $2,000 a month, part-time, and whatever it is that you're currently doing. Again, we're posting on social media, we're getting the word out there and enrolling clients, and you get paid the next week, but you do the work. So the third way that we get paid, okay, is one of my favorite parts. This is the franchise part of how you can actually multiply your efforts, multiply your income. You can refer agents to our company, which will allow you to franchise your credit repair business nationwide, all 50 states, guys, including Hawaii, Puerto Rico, and Alaska. So say you have a real estate agent friend that's in New York, right? And she doesn't have a credit repair program in her office. Your friend who is a real estate agent signs up with your company as a referral agent on your team. Again, she doesn't have to do anything, just give her clients a link. You're going to be getting paid override residuals for everything that real estate agent is doing. And let's say, you have a friend in California that is a real estate agent. It could be a tax agency. It could be a friend of yours that just wants to make some extra income, right? And supplement the bills. You're going to get paid for new agents anywhere between $100 all the way up to $560 per agent referral. So again, as your team is growing, so are residuals. It's the same breakout that you experience in the insurance or the real estate industry. So I tell people, yeah, you can sign up 3 customers a day and make $9,000 a month in income. But what if you had a team? What if you had a team of 100 agents? And let's say within 6 months, a year, 2 years, 100 agents are signing up 1 customer a month. Basically, that means you're getting paid on 100 customers a day, or per month, excuse me, instead of signing up 3 customers a day yourself. So that's the power of the compound efforts, guys. Now, field trainer, at that title, you're getting a pay raise. You're getting $160 for every agent that's coming into your organization. Senior field trainers, $240. Sales directors, $380. Now, guys, that's our money position. The average sales director can see $1,000 a week within our company. And this is really going to be a turning point in your business to have an extra $1,000 to $2,000 a week coming in on top of your job. It's a tremendous blessing. So once you hit vice president, that's how you're earning $500 for every referral agent coming into your team. It compounds from there. So far, it's been a blessing. I help people earn another source of income. I help people fix their credit, and I also enjoy doing it a long way. But there's a fourth way, guys, that we get paid again as well. Now, this is our monthly infinity bonus, and there's a percentage of all of your team's volume that you're doing every month. This is a percentage. This is another check on top of your weekly commission. It's a 30-day rolling commission, and it starts again at sales director. So essentially, you're getting a 0.5% of $10,000 in volume. Basically, that's $50 a month coming into your bank account. But look at vice president, guys. You're looking at 1.5 of 100,000 in volume. That's $1,500 a month extra coming into your bank account, residual. So whether you work or not, whether your team produces or not, this is a residual amount. And that's the fourth way that we're going to get paid out. Now, the fifth way that we get paid is another one of my favorites. It's rest and relaxation. Now, this is actually an R&R club. This is a reward bonus. And let's say you wanted to really grow within this company and you wanted to help us grow the company. We're going to reward you. You're going to get a car allowance up to $600 a month on level 1 of this R&R club. Now, level 2, you'll get a $10,000 one-time cash bonus. Level 3, your car payment goes up to $1,500 a month. And level 4 is a $25,000 one-time cash bonus. Level 5, guys, a $50,000 one-time bonus. On level 6, my favorite is a $5,000 mortgage payment. Yes, on top of the $1,500 a month car payment, we're also going to be giving you another $5,000 towards your mortgage on top of your weekly commissions for the regular production that's going on in your team. Level 7 to 10 is retirement. If you want to walk away from our company and not refer clients or agents anymore, at that level, you're going to be seeing between 100 to 250,000 a month in residual income. When I saw this company was offering this, it was really a no-brainer, and I told myself I needed to go for it. Now, to become an agent, $299. This is a franchise fee. We all know that it takes money to make money, and there's no business out there that you can start without having to invest a little bit of money. But this is a turnkey business. We'll talk about that in a second. This isn't something, though, where it's $60,000 of an investment. It's not a $100,000 business, but for less than $300, you can get in business for yourself, get overrides on all the volume, and have all the support from our company. So again, you get the business and benefits of tax write-offs. You have a turnkey business that allows people to get their credit repaired. And in the meantime, you can also earn a lucrative income. As an agent, there is an $89 monthly fee, but that $89 a month goes towards having all of the services, credit repair, identity theft protection. And as an agent, you also get a $100,000 life insurance policy. But here's the best part. If you refer 5 people after you get your first 5 signups, your $89 monthly fee is waived. So essentially you're getting all the services for free. And by referring them, again, there's no monthly overhead and you just waive that fee. So if you know at least 5 people that need their credit repaired, chances are you do. Or if you know anybody else that would like to come in and make some extra income, then it's going to be super easy to get that Strive for 5 fast and waive that $89 fee. Now let's talk about some support. So again, you're in business for yourself, but you're not by yourself. There's a team of people that are truly willing to help you every step of the way. And we're going to show you how to refer clients, how to build a team. Social media marketing is huge. There's a right way to do it and a wrong way to do it. And we've figured it out. We've mastered the game of how to get unlimited free leads through social media. So here's what helps us out, guys. It's credit repair. It essentially sells itself. We're not selling a weight loss product. We're not selling a juice. And a lot of people suffer from bad credit. They don't know what to do. No offense to those that do, though. But individuals that have bad credit, 9 times out of 10, they don't know how to fix it. And that's where we come in. When people see that you offer credit repair, they're going to be banging on your door and asking how it works because they need your help. Now, here's what some of our agents are saying. This is Mr. Ashton Henry. He's one of our senior regional vice presidents in our company. His business does over $2.5 million a month in sales. He's owned 2 tax offices. He just wanted to help his tax clients by offering credit repair. So he built a large organization, and with 5.5 years, guys, he was able to build $2.5 million a month in sales volume. Miss Nicole Smith Jackson, she is a Pinnacle senior advisor in our business, and she does no less than $10 million a month in sales revenue. She actually owned a hair salon and just wanted to offer this to help her clients with their credit repair, and ended up building a large organization with us as well. Mr. Alfred Nixon, amazing. He's also a Pinnacle senior vice president of the business. He's doing over 10 million a month in sales volume. Tony is a real estate agent out of Michigan, and he wanted to help his real estate clients with their credit repair. He didn't want to just rely on closing deals on a property to make an income. He actually wanted a cushion just in case, he went 1 or 2 months without selling a property during the slow seasons. But he built an income, a super lucrative income, as SVP with our company, and his business does over $1 million a month in sales volume. Now, Sabrina Liu, she was a struggling 26-year-old, and Bobby Kim was working 80 hours a week in his sales job. So these are what some of the agents are saying. Now, we're not doing anything crazy. We're helping people fix their credit, and we're getting them in a financial position to better their life and better their families' lives as well. So my biggest issue with this is that I didn't at the time have $300. I was willing to invest, but for that reason, I realized that what I was doing for work wasn't working. I had to change something, but I took a leap of faith and I believed in myself. I said, you know what, worst case scenario, I get my credit restored. I get all these extra tools, products, and resources. And thank God that I took that leap of faith. Now, we'd love to help you do the same thing, whatever income bracket you're trying to get into. Guys, be it $500 a month or $5,000 a month in income, we're here to help you get there. We do have a plan to show you how to do it. And I would look forward to answering any questions that you have. Again, get back with the individual that invited you, and we'll see you guys at the top.